I want to plan a vacation. I want to plan a vacation. I need to decide where to go. I need to decide where to go. I will research different destinations. I will research different destinations. I will look at travel, websites, and reviews. I will look at travel, websites, and reviews. I will choose a place I want to visit. I will choose a place I want to visit. I will check the weather and climate. I will check the weather and climate. I will book my flight and hotel. I will book my flight and hotel. I will pack my suitcase. I will pack my suitcase. I will bring my passport and travel documents. I will bring my passport and travel documents. I will make a list of things to do. I will make a list of things to do. I will schedule my activities. I will schedule my activities. I will try local food and restaurants. I will try local food and restaurants. I will take lots of pictures. I will take lots of pictures. I will buy souvenirs. I will buy souvenirs. I will plan my next vacation. I will plan my next vacation. I had a great time on my vacation. I had a great time on my vacation. I want to go on vacation again soon. I want to go on vacation again soon. I will save money for my next trip. I will save money for my next trip. I will recommend this destination to others.